Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets. In this video, I'm unboxing the Huawei Mate20 Pro. So let's go ahead and talk specs for those of you who want it. This device has a 7nm 980 Curlin chipset. It features a 4200 milliamp battery, so 30 minutes gets you about 70% charge. This device also features wireless reverse charging. It has triple cameras. One camera is 40 megapixel RGB lens. Next camera, 8 megapixel telephoto lens, and lastly it has a 20 megapixel ultra wide lens. This device also features a 3D face unlock, an in-screen fingerprint. It's running on EMUI 9.0. It has wireless projection. You can also use a nano card for storage, so you can have extra storage, and it is IP68 rating. So I know I said I was pretty excited about unboxing the OnePlus 6T because it was my first device that had a in-display fingerprint reader, but I am super excited about unboxing this phone because to me it's similar to a Samsung Galaxy Note almost, just without the pen. It just seems like it's packed with features, and this might be my next everyday phone. So I'm curious, and I know you are, so let's go check it out. Let's get to it. We'll pull the top off of the box, Huawei Mate20 Pro, and let's just take a really quick look at the phone still in the box. Nice sexy looking device. We'll pull the phone out for now. It has a decent weight, not too heavy, not too light. Next, we will go ahead and pull this out, and you see we have the typical semi-ejection tool right here. Flipping this box over, let's say we will be greeted with the manual and the warranty card. Great. Next up is a charging brick that I won't be able to use, so I'll put that off to the side because I'm here in the States. Then here are the set of earbuds that they include for you, and that's a nice touch. They feel pretty good, seem like they're good quality. And here's your left and your right, and it goes straight to the bottom of the phone in the Type-C port. Next up is the headphone dongle. This device does not have a headphone jack, so I'm pretty sure you have a lot of dongles laying around. You go ahead and put the Type-C part in the bottom of your phone, and then put your headphone jack, or put your headphones in the jack. Here is the lovely charging cable. Got your splash of purple there. Nice touch. Attention to detail. You know I'm always looking for that. Stretching out the cable. Seems like a pretty decent size, so you can see. We'll place everything back into the box to have a neater area to look at this sexy phone. I'll go ahead and take the plastic off. I ended up with the black variant of this phone because all other colors were sold out, but this is a sexy looking phone. Look at that. Here's the cameras we spoke about earlier, and you have that flash. Let's take a look at the bottom of the device. We'll start on the left. You have a antenna band, a microphone, the Type-C port, your tray for storage and SIM, and another antenna band. Moving on to the right of the phone, there is a nice red accent power button, so that's a nice touch. And then right here, your up and down volume keys. Going to the top of the device, we'll start to on the right, and here is not a headphone jack but an IR blaster, so that is nice. Next, I want to go ahead and power on the phone really quick, just to see how or what type of animations there are. I think so far with the unboxings I've done, my favorite animation would have to be that of the Razer Phone 2. Nothing really wow about the animation, but that's all good. I'm gonna go ahead and set this device up and get to some quick first impressions. Okay, the setup process is all done, and check out this screen. This doesn't even do it justice. You have to look at it in real life. But wow, that screen is amazing. There you see me. I am testing out the fingerprint scanner, and it's pretty accurate, and with time it will get a lot faster. Now face unlock, and as you see, that is quick. and it's a little harder for me to do it behind the camera, but testing it out, you can see it opens pretty quickly. So that's a cool feature. Next, I kind of wanted to see and try out what the animation when wirelessly charging the device, and it's a simple animation but very nice at the same time. Testing out the fingerprint scanner again, and there is a software update. It appears, and I will do it later. Then it's prompted me to put in my PIN so that it can update later tonight. That's a nice touch. Okay, so next I want to see it side by side with my Galaxy Note 9. And as you see, they are both sexy looking devices. The Huawei is a little lighter, a little thinner, and a little shorter. See, here we have it. Okay, now I wanted to see about the connectivity features that they have, and here's the list, but let's try Huawei Share and see what that's about. So that's just a quick little setting. Next is the wireless projection. We'll toggle that on and see what devices are available, and it picks up both TVs. Alright, so the next thing that I'm really curious about and pretty excited about is this wireless reverse charging. You have to go into the battery settings and scroll down till you hit wireless reverse charging. I'll say okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place the Huawei down on the table and place the Note 9 on there. Let's wait just for a little bit and it should charge. And there you go. You see it is charging now. That's pretty darn cool. Let me bring it up a little closer so you can see. Place it on there. Wait a sec. Boom, charging. That is a cool feature. Only if you're my friend will I let you use my charging. Okay, so what is next? Okay, here are two pictures that I took. On the left is the Samsung Note 9, and on the right is the Huawei Mate20 Pro. And this doesn't do either phone actually any justice. But tell me what you think about these pictures. Up next, we're going to test the audio of each of these phones. Right here is the Asus ROG phone, Galaxy Note 9, and last is the Huawei Mate20 Pro. So we're going to go ahead and test them out.
Is in the bathroom. Is in the bathroom. Is in the bathroom.
So that finishes up the audio testing of the three phones. Let me know which one you think sounded the best. And this pretty much wraps up my first impressions of the Huawei Mate20 Pro. I'm actually really digging this phone, and I can't wait to start using it on a daily basis and just kind of see what I like and what I don't like. So until next time, peace.